The reports the Indian Air Force Surya Kiran aerobatic team and carried out a breathtaking air display that captivated onlookers. It was said that the team showcased a series of high-precision aerial maneuvers, demonstrating their exceptional flying skills and coordination. Spectators were believed to have been mesmerized by the synchronized formations and daring stunts performed by the aircraft, painting vibrant patterns across the sky. Officials were reported to have stated that the performance was not only a display of technical excellence but also a symbol of the discipline, courage and teamwork that the Indian Air Force represents. The event was said to have drawn a large crowd, many of whom expressed their admiration and pride in the Air Force's capabilities. Witnesses were also quoted as saying that the display left a lasting impression, inspiring awe and patriotism among those present. Minister of State Sanjay Seth had addressed the gathering during the breathtaking air display performed by the Indian Air Force Surya Kiran aerobatic team. The minister was said to have praised the skill, precision and dedication of the pilots, describing the performance as a proud moment for the nation. Seth was also reported to have highlighted the importance of such displays in inspiring the youth and fostering the sense of patriotism and respect for the armed forces. He was believed to have commended the Indian Air Force for organizing the event and showcasing the strength and discipline that the Surya Kiran team represents. The audience, which had gathered in large numbers, was said to have responded to with enthusiastic applause, appreciating both the aerial spectacle and minister's encouraging words.
देश के दूसरे दिन हमारे जाबाज वायु सेना के पायलट जिनकी आन बान और शान की शान आज झारखंड की राजधानी रांची भगवान बिरसा मुंडा की भूमि मैं अभिनंदन करना चाहता हूं जो सूर्य किरण के माध्यम से हमारा सौर, हमारा पराक्रम, हमारी वायु सेना, पूरा डिफेंस सेक्टर हम मजबूत हुए हैं, हम इंडिजिनस हुए हैं, आत्मनिर्भर हुए हैं और यह गर्व है कि भारत रक्षा के क्षेत्र में 70% आत्मनिर्भर हुआ है। ये जो पुराना भारत नहीं गया, ये नया भारत है, न डरता है, न झुकता है, न पीठ दिखाता है, न किसी देश के आगे हाथ फैलाता है। ये नया भारत दुनिया के सशक्त से सशक्त राष्ट्र के राष्ट्राध्यक्ष के आंख में आंख डालकर बात करता है। नया भारत हमारी ताकत पूरी दुनिया हमको ताकत रूप से मान रही है और आज इस शो के माध्यम से पहले माननीय राज्यपाल महोदय, हमारे राज्यपाल जी जिन्होंने बहुत इस कार्यक्रम के लिए साधुवाद दिया, माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी जिन्होंने बहुत इस कार्यक्रम के लिए साधुवाद दिया और मेरा जिला प्रशासन, पुलिस प्रशासन, मैं धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगा कि आपने रांची।
The Indian Air Force's Surya Kiran aerobatic team had led a captivating air show that left the audience spellbound. The team was said to have performed